Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject English.
Good morning student. Welcome to 4th standard English class. Today we are going to see the topic poem The Spider and the Fly. The Spider and the Fly. Today we are going to see the topic poem The Spider and the Fly. Okay. Written by Mary Botham Howitt. The poem contains 7 stanza. In the poem contains 7 stanza. In the poem today we are going to see 2 stanza. Okay, remain the 5 stanza we will see the next class. Okay students. Okay, first, do you know insects? Do you know insects? Yes ma'am. What kind of insects do you see? What kind of insects do you see? Lizard, centipede, cockroach. Okay students. Okay. Okay, today we are going to see the topic spider. Spider means small insects. Spider means small insects. Okay. Okay. First, The Spider and the Fly by Mary Botham Howitt describe the entrapment of the silly fly. Silly fly. Who have who heaves into her own vanity on losses her life to be a cunning spider. The poem being with the speaker describing the effort of a spider and fly in his the dark and evil home. Okay student. Okay, first I read the poem. Listen carefully. Okay, take page number 8. First stanza. Will you step into my parlor, said the spider to the fly. This the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many pretty things to show when you are there. Oh no, said the little fly, to ask me is in vain. For who goes up your winding stair can never come down again. Second stanza. I am sure you must be very weary, dear, with the soaring up so high. Will you rest upon my little bed? So the spider to the fly. There are pretty curious woven around. The seeds are fine and thin. And if you like to rest a while, I will snugly tuck you in. Oh no, said the little fly, for I have often heard it said, they never wake again who sleep upon your bed. Okay student, parlor means a room used for receiving visitors. Winding means going round and round. Vain means proud, very tired, sure to fly high up. Sangly, warm and cozy. Okay, listen. The first stanza, we observe the spider allowing the fly to his parlor. Okay, to this parlor. Then he tries to index the fly by saying many prettiest thing. He has many prettiest things. Okay student. Next, to show her inside the parlor. The spider portias his home and mysterious place. Okay, mysterious place and a prettiest little parlor, and the little fly into his web. Okay, the little fly into his web. The fly understand that is this trap. Okay, trap, and rejects his invitation. Okay, invitation by saying she knows that whoever goes there never come out. Whoever goes in there never come out. Okay student, listen again. The first stanza, we observe the spider allowing the fly to his parlor. Next by saying that has many prettiest things and okay student, second stanza. In this stanza the spider employs a different trick, to convince the fly, okay, conveys the fly the enter his home, fly to enter his home. She must be tired and offers her to get some rest and his son little bit, okay, little bit. He tries to tempt her with the false sense of security, as he says that they are that there are pretty cuties drawn around, okay, drawn around. He tries to establish the connection before he heads ready to eat his fry, okay, to eat his fry. The fly is aware of the fact that if she goes into rest, she might end up sleeping forever. Okay student, are you understand? Okay, okay, thank you.